We're gonna replace that. And we got this rod right here. And this is this thing right here. Pretty simple. We'll start with the light. Easy money. One light. Easy move. It's cracking here and there. It would be better to put a piece of steel over it because it'll keep it from cracking more.
That's what you're going to do?
Yeah, I believe so. I think that's the best way because you can put a couple bolts right through this and this. I'll still weld this. Weld that, just keep it from cracking. But if you put a piece of plate here with some bolts through it, it'll be much stronger than aluminum. Aluminum cracks.
Good enough?
Got this all nice and cleaned off. We're going to preheat it. That's for the hinge. We got this all gouged out. That crack is all right there. I'm going to gouge it a little bit more right along the crack. And then we got to preheat it.
How it looks after.
Clean off all the old glue so the new glue sticks. We're gonna glue this back up, but you gotta clean off that old glue first. Alright, so we changed this. We put these on, 2 of these on. We repaired that because it broke off. And then we did this up here. And that was basically just a repair. Yeah, so easy stuff. But yeah, we gotta go to the next stop. Next! Okay, 608.50.
Yeah, but what about your consumables?
Steering's jammed. Yeah, push this in and then unlock that. Okay, so that's the steering mechanism right there. through it, I think. So we pulled that out from under there. There's the front leveling pieces. Let's see here. Nothing like a bottle cap. Let's see. So the gear basically on this thing is chewed up. Spring washer. Once those two are out, it should slide out, I think. Yeah. The steering wheel, I think, has to come out from the top. Alright, we got the cover pin out. Alright, I lowered a little bit. Let's see if that'll be enough to get it out. That might be enough. There, there it is. Yep, okay. Alright, that was enough. Just tore up right there. You can see it here real good. 0, 1. Headed to Oxnard again. They have the part in stock, so we got lucky this time again. What's up, mommies? Ready to go to Oxnard? You don't look excited. New part. Old part. Oh yeah, hey, if you could like and subscribe to the content, please. If you subscribe, leave a comment below and we'll respond to you. Yeah, buddy. I don't care. Like that. Always wants to slip off. Wasn't tight if it was under this. You always gotta test it, no matter what. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Next! Yeah, baby. All right, well, I think this is the end of the day. I hope. It's been a long day. The gate looks a little crooked though, so I still gotta adjust it, I think. Crap. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, this whole thing. Oh yeah, there we go. So this thing right here should not move. See how it moves? No good. All right, so we're not done. The thing has to get adjusted the right way. That thing's moving, that's why it's shaking. When they shake, they shut off and they don't work right. So we tightened that up because it definitely was loose. I put another bolt in it. don't know, it's still shaking a little bit. I greased it. I mean, see what, I'm gonna let it close, see what happens. Ready to go home? I'm ready to go home too. And we're finally going home. Do it all again tomorrow.